The Elite Starter Kit is something that you get access to 100% for free as soon as you decide to join the Academy. You're going to get access to our newsletter, which is where we give regular value tips, we give you exclusive offers that nobody else sees, and we give you just a weekly newsletter with a ton of content. I don't know the values off the top of my head, but they're all listed below. For some reason, I'm pretty sure that the newsletter was valued at like $10 a week worth of value, and that's just ridiculous to me, because really when you join the newsletter on your own, you're going to be getting tens of thousands of dollars worth of value on a very consistent basis. So the $10 a month worth of value might just be because you guys aren't actually going to read the newsletter and then implement what it says. But if you do, then it's not worth $520 a year. The newsletter on its own is worth thousands and thousands of dollars to you. You get our Elite Starter Kit, and this is something that we've put together to make sure that you guys can go out on your own and be fantastic marketers. So you're going to get an e-training that's going to teach you how to build a client avatar, and that's going to come with our worksheet that's going to be something you can walk through while you're going through the training, and you can build a client avatar. And we're also going to teach you why that's so important, because without a proper, well-defined client avatar, it's almost impossible to be a productive marketer, and that's what we're giving you. We're giving you the tools to do that. But now that we have built your ideal client, the next step is we're going to teach you how to actually reach out and grab your clients and actually show your clients what you have for them. And that's what we're doing in our Your Client Optimized ebook. So you're getting with us an e-training, you're getting a PDF for a worksheet, and you're getting a ebook. Big red right here, I wrote that so I didn't forget. You're also going to get something that's really exclusive, that's we've kind of been fighting about as far as the exact number, but I wrote it down so Nick doesn't have a say anymore, because you're going to get entered into a drawing to get 30% off of all of our services. So any service that you pick to choose, if you win this drawing, you'll get 30% off of it. You choose to go through all of our services and you just go with the exclusive $1 million a day plan. We don't have a $1 million a day plan. If you decide to just go with that, then we're going to give you $300,000 off a day for that plan. So here's the point though, guys. All of this, everything that's here, you're getting it 100% for free. And I want to tell you why. I want to talk you through this a little bit. We were trying to figure out what kind of a lead magnet we wanted, right? And I go, what if we actually decide to be the industry leader in the art of the irresistible offer? Everyone does a lead gen with a free ebook, or a cheat sheet, or a quiz. I hate the quizzes, or something simple without a lot of value, because they're not asking for much. They're just asking for an email. What if we do something different? What if we become known for giving more than the competition, right? What if our lead magnet was something crazy, like a free worksheet for developing a client avatar that had a $15 value, and a video training on how to build your client avatar and how to appear irresistible to them for that, which would be like a $50 value, and an ebook on how to find your customer, which would have like a $12 value on it, and an entry into a drawing for 30% off all of our services, drawn once a month, which would have a $300 to a $3,000 value. And then, on top of all of that, what if we also gave them access into Windfall 101? That's our newsletter, by the way. And, you know, they would get weekly value tips and access to exclusive offers and get things that are available nowhere else. Our lead magnet would then be a $795 value, 100% for free. This is what I wrote to Nick, right? I go, if you like the idea, I will get to work on it ASAP. If you don't like the idea, I will get to work on it ASAP. We can't not make this stuff for our customers. See, I didn't care what Nick's thoughts were on it. I've decided that Windfall Elites, we are the elite. We're going to do something that nobody else is willing to do. And we're going to give you hundreds of dollars of value for free. And then we're going to scale that. So when you go through any and every one of our service levels, you're going to get more than the competition is willing to give. We are at every price point giving more value than the competition. So when you enter our newsletter, when you sign up for this for free, you're going to get a $795 value. You're going to get the Elite Starter Kit, which has an e-training on a client avatar. It has a worksheet and it has an ebook in it. This is so much, guys. Nobody offers this much for free, but this is easy. This is content creation that we can do for easy. We can give this to you for free because it's just information and we have it and it's free to give. You know, knowledge is power, but that which is given freely, give freely. Just put in your name, put in your email, and get all this amazing content for free. And then you're going to start getting access to our newsletter, which, like I said, they say it's a $520 value. That's garbage. That is a many times over thousands of dollar value if you actually implement it and you actually pay attention to what we're sending you. And you know what? As always, I freaking love you guys.